Thinking about traveling alone? Solo travel can be an incredible adventure, offering freedom, self-discovery, and unforgettable experience. Today, we're sharing the best tips for making the most out of your solo journey. So grab your passport and let's get started. Before you set off, first step is planning your adventure and choosing the right destination. When you're traveling solo, you want to pick a place that excites you, also feels safe and accessible. Think about what kind of experience you're looking for. Do you want to explore a bustling city, relax on a quiet beach, or immerse yourself in nature? Research different destinations and read up on solo travel experiences there. Look for places with good public transport, plenty of accommodation options, and things to do that match your interests. Sometimes, starting with a destination that's popular with other solo travelers can make things easier. Next up is packing. When you're traveling alone, you don't want to be weighed down by too much stuff. Pack light and only bring the essential. Choose versatile clothing that you can mix and match. And don't forget a comfortable pair of shoes. Those are a must for all the exploring you'll be doing. Make sure to pack a small first aid kit, any medications you might need, and a portable charger to keep your devices powered up. It's also a good idea to bring a copy of important documents like your passport and travel insurance, just in case. And remember, the lighter your bag, the easier your travels will be. First things first, the arrival. Landing in a new place alone can feel overwhelming, but it's also the start of an amazing adventure. When you first arrive, take your time to settle in. Find your accommodation, unpack a little, and get comfortable. It's important to feel at ease in your new surroundings. On your first day, keep things simple. Explore the area around your accommodation, find a nearby cafe, and start getting familiar with your new home away from home. This is also a great time to pick up a local SIM card or map out key spots like grocery stores and public transport stop. Now it's time to explore. One of the best parts of solo travel is the freedom to go wherever you want, whenever you want. Start by exploring well-known spots and popular landmarks. Not only are they must-sees, but they're also safe places to get your bearings and feel more comfortable in your new environment. Don't rush through your days. Walk around, take in the sights, and let yourself get a little lost in the moment. Follow your curiosity. Wander down that interesting alleyway, pop into that local shop, or sit in a park and people watch. When you're alone, you have the luxury of moving at your own pace, so enjoy it. One of the most rewarding aspects of solo travel is immersing yourself in the local culture. Without the distraction of a travel companion, you can fully experience everything a destination has to offer. Try the local cuisine, learn a few phrases in the local language, and participate in cultural activities. Whether it's a cooking class, traditional dance, or just a friendly chat with a local, these experiences will make your trip even more memorable. Don't be afraid to ask questions and learn from the people you meet. Most locals are happy to share stories about their culture and give you insider tips on the best places to visit. This is your chance to see the world from a different perspective and maybe even make some new friends along the way. Speaking of friends, solo travel doesn't mean you have to be alone all the time. In fact, it's often easier to meet new people when you're on your own. Stay in hostels, join group tours, or attend local events and meetups. These are great ways to connect with fellow travelers and locals alike. Don't be shy about striking up a conversation. You'd be surprised how many people are in the same boat as you, eager to share stories and experiences. You might even find a travel buddy for a day or two. Remember, solo travel is about being open to new experiences, including meeting new people. While meeting new people is great, there's also something special about spending time alone. Solo travel is a chance to connect with yourself and enjoy your own company. Take this time to reflect, journal, or simply relax in a beautiful setting. Go for a hike, watch the sunset, or enjoy a quiet meal by yourself. These moments of solitude can be incredibly rewarding and give you a deeper appreciation for the places you visit. Don't feel pressured to be constantly busy. Sometimes, the best experiences come from simply being present and soaking in your surroundings. Solo travel isn't just about exploring new places. It's also about discovering more about yourself. When you're on your own, you're pushed out of your comfort zone, and that's when real growth happens. You learn to trust your instincts, make decisions independently, and handle unexpected situations with confidence. You might find that you're braver than you thought, or that you enjoy your own company more than you realize. Traveling alone also gives you the space to reflect on what truly makes you happy. It's a journey not just of miles, but of self-discovery. Many solo travelers return home with a new sense of confidence and a clearer understanding of what they want in life. One of the biggest advantages of traveling alone is the ability to be spontaneous. You don't have to stick to a strict schedule or worry about anyone else's preferences. If you feel like changing your plans, go for it. Embrace the unexpected and be open to new adventures. Maybe you decide to take a last-minute day trip to a nearby town, or you stumble upon a local festival you didn't know about. These unplanned moments often turn out to be the most memorable. Trust your instincts and go with the flow. You never know what amazing experiences are waiting for you just around the corner. Traveling alone can come with its challenges, but it's all part of the adventure. You might miss a train, get lost, or encounter a language barrier. But remember, these situations are learning experiences that help you grow as a traveler and as a person. Stay calm, be resourceful, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Most people are happy to assist, especially if you approach them with a smile and a positive attitude. Overcoming these small hurdles will boost your confidence and make your solo travel journey even more rewarding. Solo travel is a journey of discovery, of new places, new cultures, and most importantly, yourself. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, embracing the unknown, and making memories that will last a lifetime. So, pack your bags, trust your instincts, and set off on the adventure of a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Safe travels!